A clever name, correct? Have you at any point had some significant awareness of it? Then, this second is the second to tell yourself about it. It could give off an impression of being a record, yet that is the way this uncommon electronic cash's interaction began from the outset. As indicated by the data, Dogecoin bears this peculiar anyway especially engaging name, which transformed into a mascot of a Japanese assortment of canine referred to Shiba Inu and subsequently as Doge. From there on out, this rapidly forming computerized cash transformed into a well-known name, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is decentralized and thoroughly secure. As demonstrated by the irrefutable data and late Dogecoin cost assumption, Doge addresses an open and plausible choice as opposed to Bitcoin. The novel, vigorous, Dogecoin social class has allowed Doge to achieve something of a religion following. History of Dogecoin. Without a doubt, even its name is taken from a popular web picture. A choice part of Dogecoin today is a tipping organization. Clients will tip various clients for posts or responsibilities they acknowledge merit affirmation. It is a more remarkable way than just like on any virtual diversion stage that desires various clients to examine the review and be hypnotized to buy Dogecoin. Unending virtual diversion exposure by retail monetary supporters accounts Dogecoin computerized cash to ceaselessly obscure as of late shipped off canine coins like Shiba Inu. The primary concern that disconnects Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the advanced cash market is extension rather than deflationary cryptographic cash. Bitcoin and various other computerized types of cash are sorted out to the point that they have a hard stock cap of money-related principles. The normal issue with this is that once the cap is reached, it could at this point not be useful for backhoes to continue to help the structure. This prompts a rising in enormous high costs to engage earthmovers or very deferred or delayed trade processes, as there would be no issue with taking care of organization trades. An organization or bank is a united foundation that can truly print its own money. Strangely, coins like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, etc., embrace a decentralized methodology to conveying new tokens, and their neighborhood Doge. As conveyed hereinbefore, aid affirmation of work. POW, shapes the reason behind the working of Doge, engaging tractors to deal with Dogecoin trades by using their ability to handle tangled conditions. At the point when the condition is handled, one more block is added to the Dogecoin association, and the earthmover is repaid with Doge. This prize structure capabilities as a two-layered procedure. 1. It urges backhoes to allow enrolling capacity to complete trades on the Dogecoin blockchain, and 2. It controls the development of new Doge, which is then flowed by diggers. The tipping organization allows the client to send quick gifts to various clients on Twitter and Reddit. Dogecoin worth figure, very capable's viewpoint. Doge guess, the expense will be around $0.162 in 1 year. While in the accompanying 5 years, the expense will reach $0.867. Considering the Dogecoin cost assumption, Doge could trade at $0.0845 around the completion of 2022, 13 cents by 2025, and 29 cents by 2030. Dogecoin will be a useful interest over an extended time. As demonstrated by the Dogecoin cost estimate, the coin will reach 37 cents by 2025 and $2.42 by 2030. Exactly when markets have no reasonable purpose. When basics at absolutely no point in the future seem to issue, it ends up being clear the guidelines are being patched up or even through the window. We could be in the creative destruction stage that will give way to one more surge of headway. Furthermore, in that wave, new sorts of assets could have a good spot in portfolios. Meanwhile, the untethered thought of current worth reasoning is disturbing, and an update that creative destruction can be awful to those caught in the change. Weakness is quite terrible for trust, and a shortfall of trust is generally horrible for progress. No enormous shock, not the slightest bit like all cryptographic types of cash. Dogecoin regard additionally was unprotected to the high and lows of market regard, i.e., cost fluctuations. Dogecoin worth estimate 2022. Elon Musk has continued helping with supporting the expense of Doge. Dogecoin's expense has seen a slight improvement over the course of late days. Elon Musk's relentless assistance with enduring Dogecoin as a portion for stock and institutional gathering has been beneficial to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's expense hit one more unmatched high of $0.7376. On account of steady enormous name support and moreover recorded on eToro, continuing with gigantic advancement to the extent that expense in the approaching months is expected. Elon Musk's tweet gets a handle on that one can buy Tesla item with Dogecoin. Similarly, as shown by the Tesla official site, one can use Dogecoin to purchase the Cyber Whistle, Giga Spelt Catch, and Cyber Quad for use. According to the Dogecoin news, AMC has started enduring portions in picture coins like Dogecoin from Walk 19, 2022, and Engraving Cuban, the owner of Dallas Nonconformist, recognizes Dogecoins for tickets and item. The picture coin got some respectable force through web-based diversion after Elon Musk's supporting signs. Elon Musk's tweet communicating the affirmation of the token as a working portion mode for stock conveyed positive progress to Dogecoin's expense, influencing market Dogecoin cost assumptions earnestly. Moreover, when asked what forces him pick Doge over various coins, he replied over Twitter that Doge has canines and pictures, however the others don't. Likewise, the Ukrainian government has now decided to recognize Dogecoin gifts amidst the Russian assault. Dogecoin cost should recover its lost power and head towards its resistance level of $0.1212. As per the Dogecoin cost assumption for 2022, the expense of Dogecoin could get 7 cents before the year's finished. The expected high for 2022 might be around 9 cents, and on the hindrance, the low might be around 2 cents. The 1-year cost is projected by our assumption for 2022. Dogecoin assumption 2023. As indicated by the market feeling and experts' viewpoints, the expense of Dogecoin could enlist a sluggish rising. Likewise, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the choice to cross the 10 cents mark. The expected high for 2023 might be more than 20 cents, on the burden, the low might be around 6 cents. As per the specific assessment of Dogecoin, it likewise could come in the stuff of capriciousness, so you truly need to pay special attention to your hypothesis. You truly need to scrutinize the computerized cash quote and be prepared. Despite the verifiable scenery of whirlwinds and twisters in the computerized currency market, there is a fair Dogecoin future. The transient evaluation for the fast assistance level is $0.051, the basic assistance level is 3 cents, however the characteristics for the brief and fundamental resistance levels are